So we got here 2019 F350 Super Duty. Here is the 10 mil bolts that hold your grill. So once you pop up the cover, you can remove those 12 millimeter 10 bolts. And then once you take that off, you can just remove the whole grill. You can use a pry tool because it has like 8-10 clips that's holding your front grill. So you have to be careful because this plastic always snap and break easily. So once you remove this one, so those are the clips. So there's 4 each, and in the bottom there is a metal clips. Okay, so it's 8 plastic and then 4 metal clips in the bottom. There. So once you take that off, you can remove your headlight, and your headlight has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 mil bolts.
350 right here. There's a 10 mil there. Bottom. And then here. And here. And here. There you go. And so you remove your headlight on your, you just unplug this. There you go. And right here, 1, 2, 3, 4.